Since the beginning of 2025, WTI has suffered so much losses, but it seems things are about changing. Are we going to see the crude oil bulls take charge of the game once again? So that is what we are looking at in today's chart analysis. Now, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. Without further ado, let's get into the chart. We see that the WTI was trading within this channel, this blue channel. Now it was heading to the top of the channel to complete the symmetry when we experienced a sell-off. Depending on how you draw this very channel, if we are to connect the closing prices of these very candles here, we can arguably say that the market touched the top of the channel. So here is it. If we are to connect the closing prices of these candles, then we can say that the market touched the top of the channel before reversing. Though I like using the tip of the candles. However we look at it, the market was just very close or touched the top of the channel before a reversal. Now, when we got that reversal, and since the mid-January 2025, the market traded very bearishly until we got to the bottom of the channel, and then we had a break of that bottom at this point. The market continued down to clear all the liquidities below these very lows. You can see that we have sets of lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, I always tell you that markets seek liquidity. Liquidity is the fuel on which the market feed on. So the market will always look for where there is a pool of liquidity, and that is where the market will be attracted to. And the liquidities are always found below lows and above highs. So that is exactly what this market came to do, what the price came to do here. It came to sweep all the liquidities because there are so many stop losses placed around this point. So the market has just come to fill all the liquidities here and then bounced off from this very point. Okay, so the question now is, are we going to see the bulls reclaim the bottom of this channel? If the bulls are able to reclaim the bottom of this channel, then that makes this whole move right here a fake out. Okay, and a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move in the opposite direction. That means if the market is able to reclaim the bottom of this channel, then the bulls has shown that they are much stronger in the game, and that would take price up to the top of this very channel, which will be up here, and that will also make the market to feel the liquidity that will be above this high, because there is liquidity above this high. So the market will seek to feel the liquidity above this high and also complete the symmetry. Remember, the market lost symmetry. It lost moving from one end of a channel to the other end of a channel. So a reclaim of this very bottom of this blue colored ascending channel will lead to an extended move to the top of the channel. Just watch for a reclaim. Once we get the candlestick close back into this area, then a long position will be a very good trade with a good risk reward ratio, and your stop loss will just be below the bottom of the channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next video, and remember to make your comments and also share the video, like the video and share the video so that others can benefit from it.